Are you ready to take your career in the oil and gas industry to the next level? Did you know that NEBOSH certification is the key to unlocking global opportunities, higher salaries, and the ability to make workplaces safer? Stick around, because in this video I'll show you everything you need to know about NEBOSH, what it is, why it matters, and how you can ace it. Trust me, this is the career boost you've been waiting for. Welcome to Oil and Gas Insights, your trusted source for career guidance and industry knowledge in the oil and gas sector. In today's video, we're diving into everything you need to know about NEBOSH certification, what it is, why it matters, and how you can ace it to advance your career. Stick around, because this is going to be a game changer for you. Let's start with the basics. NEBOSH stands for the National Examination Board in Occupational Safety and Health. It's a globally recognized qualification that equips you with the skills and knowledge to ensure safety and health in the workplace. Whether you're aiming to work as an HSE officer, safety manager, or risk assessor, NEBOSH certifications are often essential for advancing in industries like oil and gas, construction, and manufacturing. Now, there are several NEBOSH certifications to choose from depending on your career goals. Here are the main ones. NEBOSH General Certificate, IGC/NGCR. NEBOSH International Diploma, a higher-level qualification for professionals who want in-depth expertise. Specialist certifications. For example, the NEBOSH Certificate in Oil and Gas Safety, tailored for professionals in our industry. Each of these certifications opens doors to better roles and higher salaries. You might be wondering, why should I invest my time and money in NEBOSH? Here's why. Global recognition. Employers worldwide value NEBOSH qualifications. Improved career opportunities. NEBOSH certification can lead to roles like safety supervisor or HSE manager. Practical knowledge. It equips you with the skills to identify hazards, assess risks, and ensure compliance with safety regulations. Competitive edge. In high-risk industries like oil and gas, NEBOSH-certified professionals are highly sought after. Now that you know what NEBOSH is and why it's important, let's talk about how to prepare for it. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide. Choose the right certification. Decide which NEBOSH certification aligns with your career goals. For oil and gas professionals, the NEBOSH Oil and Gas Certificate is highly relevant. Find an accredited training provider. Look for NEBOSH-approved providers offering online, classroom, or blended courses. Choose what fits your schedule and learning style. Plan your study schedule. Break down the syllabus into manageable sections. Allocate time daily or weekly and stick to your plan. Use quality study materials. Get official NEBOSH study books, past exam papers, and revision guides. Apps and online practice tests are also great resources. Practice, practice, practice. Go through past exam papers and familiarize yourself with the question style. Pay attention to command words like outline or explain. Stay consistent and take mock exams. Mock exams are a great way to evaluate your readiness and identify weak areas. Here are some pro tips to help you excel in your NEBOSH exams. Understand the question. Focus on what the question is asking. Don't write unnecessary details. Time management. Divide your time equally among all questions. Structured answers. Use headings, bullet points, and examples to make your answers clear and concise. Be practical. NEBOSH values real-world application, so focus on practical examples wherever possible. Once you're NEBOSH certified, the opportunities are endless. Here are some roles you can aim for in the oil and gas sector. Health and Safety Officer, HSE Manager, Risk Assessor, Compliance Officer. These roles often come with higher salaries and greater responsibilities, making your investment in NEBOSH certification worthwhile. It wraps up our guide to NEBOSH certification. I hope this video has given you clarity on how to start your NEBOSH journey and succeed in it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to Oil and Gas Insights for more career tips and industry insights. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Remember, investing in your skills today is the key to building a safer and brighter future for yourself and others. That's it for today's video on NEBOSH certification. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more confident about starting your journey toward a successful career in health and safety.